I'm Jeffrey from Testrite. At Testrite, we're experts in manufacturing custom telescopic tubing assemblies. Now, in addition to making the tubes themselves, we make a wide variety of components and accessories for telescopic tubing. Today, we're going to talk about ground spikes or ground stakes, whatever you want to call them. There are a couple different types of ground spikes or ground stakes. The first ones are ones that attach directly to a telescopic tube assembly. Now, this here is an interesting one. This is actually a removable ground spike. It attaches to the bottom of this telescopic tubing assembly with a thread. The tube itself has a female 1/4-20 thread. The spike is made from 1/4-inch round steel wire. We make it in-house, we thread it ourselves, we make the spike ourselves, and it attaches just by turning, which is very nice. What's great about this is it's easily removable and can be replaced with an aluminum base for use outdoors. So this telescopic tube has a lot of flexibility, both with a stake as well as with an outdoor base. Another popular example that we have is an outer steel stake. So whereas that stake went inside the tube, this one stays on the outside. So this is made from a steel strap. We round one side of the steel strap to mate the curvature of a round aluminum tubing. In this particular case, there's a solid rivet through. It could also be a bolt and a nut to make it removable. And you simply push this into the ground. Now, anyone who's gone camping or put stakes into a ground in a field knows that just because you push doesn't mean it's going to go. So for applications that need the ability to put more force, we also have, you call it a Z style or an H style of spike. They can be used individually or in a set of two, or they can be paired with the straight stakes. Now you might be saying, why this shape? Well, when you put this down on the ground, you can put your shoe or your boot on top of this and push down and get a lot of leverage. So it allows for easier insertion of the stake into the ground. So those are a few different examples. And again, they can be combined or customized. They're all made in-house. This is an example of a custom staking mechanism. Again, the same idea of you can put your shoe or your boot here, push down and get a lot of force. And in this case, the round telescopic tube actually goes inside of the square bushing. So we can make a lot of different types of steel staking mechanisms for your round telescopic tubes. In addition, we can also make standalone stakes. As an example, this is used with a steel base that Testrite manufactures that has holes. It could also be an aluminum base with holes. And so we give this to the customer, they push this through the holes in the base, and they have a nice flat surface area to put their shoe or their boot on to push this into soft ground. We've had applications that call for larger stakes, so this is both longer. It's also made from 3/8 inch diameter steel tubing, so we can make them much larger where necessary. And we can also put returns. Sometimes instead of rounding, we'll just cut at an angle. So we can make all different sorts of custom ground spikes and ground stakes. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If your next project calls for ground stakes or ground spikes, please visit us at www.testriteoem.com. Email us rfq@testrite.com. If you need at least 25 of something custom, let us know how we can be of help, and we're happy to provide a quote. Testrite's a 102-year-old, family-owned and operated American manufacturer. All these stakes are made right here in the United States in our factory. Let us know how we can help you.